I have been craving some warmth, some bronze on the skin. So I've been revisiting my eyeshadows and I've been playing around with kind of a bronzed, slightly smoked eye look. And I've got a couple of shadows that I've been using. I really love this look. And I thought I would do just a quick little eyeshadow tutorial and show you how I've been wearing my eye makeup. Something I like to do in the summertime when it's really hot out and your eyeshadows might be prone to smudging, I use a makeup setting spray on my eyeshadow brush. So I spray the end of my brush with a little bit of makeup setting spray. This is the one from MAC. It's called MAC Fix Plus. And then I take the brush and I dip it into whatever eyeshadow I'm using. And it kind of turns that eyeshadow into like a slightly kind of creamy texture. It makes it really easy to blend on the lid, and then it sets and it dries down and it prevents it from smudging or creasing. So it's kind of like a little makeup pro tip that I use. And then this palette I'm using, it's from Tom Ford. It's called the Golden Mink eyeshadow palette. I'm using this color here. It's sort of a fawn color. I'm just loading the brush with the shadow. So this is just one shade I've applied to the eyelid, and I've only really applied this in the crease. I haven't applied it all the way down to the lash line, only in the crease, just to start to create some dimension. And you can already tell with this color, it's really pretty, it's reflective and kind of bronzy, and that's just from one shade in the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and switch brushes and pop over to this other palette I've been using from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Super Blue palette. How stunning are these? I'm not using the dark blues today, but they're gorgeous. I fell in love with this beautiful bronze color in this palette. It's got a little bit of copper in it, but it's not overpowering. I find a lot of copper shades just take over the eye look. It's got some copper tones to it, but it's also kind of a cool, warm brown undertone. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick some of that up and kind of go right over in the outer crease on top of the color we've already applied. I've placed that color in this outer crease, and now I'm switching brushes and taking a fluffier brush to kind of buff and blend that out. Okay, and then the final eyeshadow that I used for this, I'm gonna go back to this Golden Mink palette and grab some of this dark brown color. And for this one, I really like that it has kind of a suede finish to it. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this in the outer crease, kind of down by the lashes. I'm gonna apply eyeliner, and this is a dark navy eyeliner. It actually looks really beautiful with bronze shadows, and there's something about just adding an element of color, like summer color, like a navy or a dark green liner. It just screams like warmth and summer to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. And I like to use eyeliner underneath this top lash line, so I'm gonna sketch in and fill in between those lashes. I went ahead and added another coat of mascara. I've been using this one from Hourglass, and this is the finished look. I feel like it's reading a little bit darker on camera. I mean, I'm filming this on my iPhone than it is in person, but I love a good bronzed, smoked eye look in the summer. So I hope you guys liked this tutorial.